One, Einstein once said, if bee pollination disappeared from the earth, man would only have 4 years left to live. We are Team Agribusiness, and we strive to make pollination better. So you may ask the question, why pollination? Maybe you'll be surprised that 1 out of every 3 bites of food that we eat exists because of pollination. California almonds is one of the crops that requires cross-pollination, primarily through honeybees. However, their population is decreasing at an alarming rate of 45% annually. California grows about 1.5 million acres of almonds. Think about the number. It's about the size of 1 million football fields. They are grown outdoors, which means they may also involve unpredictable environment conditions. So we as a team are trying to increase efficiency of pollination for outdoor almonds farmers in California by reducing the uncertainties of environmental conditions and addressing the bee shortage. So how large is the market? Assume that there are 2 colonies per acre, and the cost of each colony is $200. It's about 600 million involved in this service. So has anyone taken a piece of this cake yet? Yeah, absolutely. There's one company called Bee Hero, and they use IoT sensors to optimize hive placement. Some other solutions include applying artificial pollination using robot bees. And also some farmers are learning about knowledge on pollinizer arrangement to improve their planting patterns.
However, our company, unlike the other solutions, we get straight from idea to business. We designed and implement this precision pollination as a service platform based on machine learning models and bio-inspired bees. Starting from the hardware level, we leveraged the bio-inspired bees implemented by Professor Kirsten Peterson, who is a professor at Cornell UC department. Embedded and mounted with millimeter scale flight recorders non-invasively into the bees. The hub located at the entrance of the beehives can receive location data captured by the application-specific sensors on the bees. This data can then be processed locally on computer to generate a foraging probability map, which has a high correlation with the pollination potential of the plant. This Internet of Living Things generate important data for our bee localization model. Talking about the machine learning models, our first model in the service make beehive demand predictions for our farmers. By utilizing open source APIs and also online datasets, we were able to feed a variety of geographical information and also climate data into our model, combining and merging all of the information together in the consolidation layer and generate a prediction on the number of hives farmers should purchase for their farm based on their farm's environment. On the pollination model, on the other hand, it takes accumulated weather or specifically temperature data over the next 15 days to make a forecast on whether the almond trees are going to bloom or not, so that farmers know when to purchase their bees. And the bee localization model utilizes the bee location and environment correlation model generated with the bio-inspired bees hardwares to create such kind of a heat map indicating where do bees like more in the farm, so that farmers can know which areas might be under-pollinated in their farm, so that human interventions can happen on time. Regarding our business model, we're going to start by deploying our model with free samples to local farms, so that we are able to gather real data to train and abstract our machine learning model. After we believe our algorithms are mature enough for production level deployment, we're going to sell our service as an annual subscription with a 7-day free trial. We believe with our cost leadership strategy and also our precision pollination prediction model, we will be able to gain market share quickly and become profitable within the first few years. Future vision of our company include expanding to other crops, provide data-driven insights for beekeepers, and start our own agriBees bee farm. And here's our team. Thanks for listening to the presentation.